Hi everyone and welcome to German Wissen, a fun and new ways to learn German language. In lesson 1 we have done how to pronounce and write German alphabets, some vocabularies. Hopefully you have learned how to say German alphabets with using umlauts and have idea about the pronunciation. Lektion 2. In today's lesson, we'll be learning countings from 0 to 12 and from 13. The counting will be much easier with the help of some tricks and techniques. So to have that, you gotta stay tuned. Remember, you have to repeat after me so that you'll be able to speak fluently. Let's get started. 0, 1, 2. So in this, you can listen it very carefully that Z is taking the sound of S. 3, 4. Again, here the pronunciation will not be wir, but fear. 5, 6, 7, 8. Always remember in countings, the pronunciation for 8 starts with the longer A. 9, 10, 11, 12. Now it's time for easy and useful tricks. German countings starting from 13 to 19 is quite simple, so don't go with the quantity of words. Make it simple to remember, as in to pronounce, write and learn. So from 13, in German countings, 3 comes first and 10 comes after it. As you already know that 3 is 3 and 10 is 10, which combines together and form 13. Now let's continue. 13, 14. Any guess for the next word? Correct. It's 15, 16, 17. You'll be noticing this definitely that instead of using 17, we are practicing here 17, which is one of the exceptions that we can take into consideration. 18, 19, 20. Excellent! Now you know the countings from 0 to 20. If you want to use this vocabulary into sentences, then let us know in the comment below so that you can have a dedicated video specifically for these structure and forms of German countings. Learning further, knowing the criteria about how to write countings, let's see what further countings will be written as. Here we have 21, 22 and 23. With the same rule of writing tens number first after the digit 1, in German, what's new here is that in between these two vocabulary, we gotta add German equivalent for end, which is und. Thus it brings Einundzwanzig. Another number will be easy for you, starting with a number which is in unit place, that is 2. Und will be in between, and then we go to the next number which is at the tens place, that is 20. Definitely the next one will be easier for you. It's 23. Well done! Here's one important note for you. Always write all these words together without having any space. Now let's move on to the next one. 35, 48, 46, 66, 78, 80, 90 and 100. Hope you will be able to write further countings easily. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more interesting learning, subscribe this channel and hit the bell button on, so if in case you don't want to miss any update. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day, have a great time and have a great life.